In typical inversion labral repairs, when the repair suture is released into the joint space without any modifications as shown here, we can experience technical difficulty for repair suture retrieval through the labrum as it falls within the inferior joint space. The bow tie suture technique helps minimize this technical difficulty for this procedure. To begin the bow tie suture repair technique, we start by folding the repair suture twice like shown on the screen. The folded repair suture is then pinched in the middle with the jaws of the swift stitch suture passer, creating our bow tie suture construct. Viewing from the anterolateral portal, the swift stitch is advanced into the joint space through the cannula with the bow tie configuration still intact. The repair suture is then released and it expands like a spring, allowing it to hold this position within the joint space. The swift stitch is then passed through the labrum, and this time we have significantly easier retrieval of the repair suture. We can pull it through the anchor until all of the slack has been eliminated and repeat this process for all subsequent anchors to complete the inversion labral repair.